Before you consider buying Remundo Limited, there are 7 key things you need to know, especially if you're comparing it to other similar products on the market. Stick around because this might change how you look at it. First off, Remundo Limited offers a user-friendly platform, but what stands out is its comprehensive suite of features tailored for businesses. Unlike many competitors that only focus on 1 or 2 aspects of business management, Remundo covers everything from project management to analytics and reporting. This integration can save businesses a ton of time and money. Next thing to know is the pricing. Remundo Limited may not be the cheapest option out there, but for what you're getting, it's pretty competitive. Other platforms may offer lower costs, but they often leave you with limited features, or worse, hidden fees. Remundo's transparency in pricing is a huge plus. Plus, if you click the first link in the description, you can get access to the best offer and even try it completely free, so it's worth checking out. The third thing to consider is the customer support. If you've used other business management tools, you probably know how frustrating it can be to reach someone when you have an issue. With Remundo Limited, their customer service is highly rated, and they have a range of support options available, including live chat, email, and phone. This sets them apart from competitors that might leave you waiting for days. The fourth thing, and something that is crucial when comparing Remundo to others, is its integrations. Remundo seamlessly integrates with various other software tools, including CRMs, accounting software, and email marketing platforms. This is a game changer for businesses that rely on multiple systems to run smoothly. Many competitors don't offer such extensive integrations, which can make your workflow less efficient. Another important factor is the learning curve. While Remundo Limited is easy to use for most people, if you're switching from a more complex system, there might be a slight adjustment period. But it's worth mentioning that Remundo provides a lot of helpful tutorials and resources to help get you up to speed. For businesses new to this kind of software, it might take a bit of time to explore all its capabilities, but the platform is intuitive and the support materials are great. The sixth thing is its mobile app. Many businesses are on the go, and Remundo's mobile app allows you to stay connected and manage tasks and projects while you're away from your desk. A lot of competitors' apps are clunky or don't offer the full range of features available on their desktop versions. Remundo's mobile app does, which is great for people who need to stay productive even when they're not at their desk. And lastly, Remundo's data security. If you're worried about the security of your business data, you're not alone. In today's world, data protection is critical. Remundo uses high-end encryption and data protection protocols, ensuring your business's information is safe. Competitors might offer similar protections, but Remundo is known for going the extra mile, which gives you peace of mind. If you want to try out Remundo Limited, don't miss the chance to click the first link in the description to get the best free trial and some exclusive benefits. You'll be able to experience the features firsthand and see how it stacks up against other products. To wrap up, Remundo Limited offers great value, especially when you compare it to other software on the market. From its ease of use to robust features and excellent customer support, it's definitely worth considering for your business. Make sure to click that link below to grab the best offer and start your free trial today.